In today's video, we're going to be taking my girlfriend's wing off of her car, cutting it up, and making it fit onto mine. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button, hit that thumbs up because we know today's video is going to be a good one. So guys, right here as you guys can see, this wing is actually off of my girlfriend's 2015 Scion TC. It's a duckbill. We're going to be using it. As you can see back there, we have the 326 wing removed. I actually went ahead and removed it so I can start body working it. And then I removed my girlfriend's wing because the double-sided sticky tape was lifting up. So I removed that as well. That way it doesn't go flying off. And I came up with this idea. I wonder how it'll look on my car. I held it up. It actually fits almost perfect. But I wanted to actually make it look a little bit more legit, as if it belongs on this car. So how do we do that, you might be asking? Well, we're going to be taking my girlfriend's wing, little does she know, and I'm going to be cutting it up and making it fit onto my car. I'm just kidding, guys. That would be a horrible idea. If I did that, she would absolutely kill me, and I wouldn't be able to upload any more videos for you guys. So what did I do, or what is it I am doing? You might be asking yourself then. Well, that is my girlfriend's wing. We're not using that one. I went ahead and pulled the trigger and bought my own wing. I went ahead and cut it off, or cut it in half, and that's actually where I lost some footage. But I cut it in half, sectioned about this much out of the middle, squeezed it together, plastic welded it, which you guys are gonna all see right now. I'm catching you guys up is what's going on. Plastic welded it, and then just to hold it enough together, use some plastic epoxy on the inner side, epoxied it all, and then pretty much that's where we are right now. It's drying. Yeah. So that's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm gonna be playing all of that for you guys, and then you guys will be fully caught up.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me
guys, I really apologize. My camera's SD got corrupted earlier, but got a lot done. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. This is gonna be the end of part 1, but let me show you real quick what I got. I kind of just started working, and I got a lot done. So let me go ahead and show you what we do have. So it's officially molded on, and it's hardened and everything. So it's I'm gonna keep these in here though. I think actually it's solid, so we can actually probably get these removed. You guys are gonna see that in the next video though. I went ahead and got a first little coat of Bondo here. It's kind of hard with all these bolts, so I got to remove all that, and then we can go ahead and do a pass. But down here we got all of this done. Looks really good and smooth. I'm super happy. So that's gonna be the end of this part. Oh, and I got this blocked and more primered, so it's looking excellent. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off right here. Stay tuned for part 2. It's gonna be the next video most likely, and we're gonna get pretty much more Bondo down. Hopefully finish it, because I don't want it to take too long. It's the weekend. I want it done before I start taking this car out during the weekday for work and whatnot, just because I hate driving like that. So I'm gonna try to finish it, or at least near finish it, this weekend. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Again, I apologize for the SD. Everything keep jumping. I need to go this weekend and pick up some new SDs so we don't have that issue anymore. But I hope to catch you all in the next one, and until next time, as always, peace out.